Greetings enthusiast. Today we're going to have a look at a layout for a dual attack release envelope generator based on a music from outer space schematic. Okay, that's another thrilling demo. Let's have a look at the schematic. Now, I've previously built a couple of AR generators, pretty much based around the same idea. I think there's a timer, a diode network for the attack and release, and then an op amp for the output. I think it works some way like that. However, I've had to fiddle around with the capacitor inputs, and this one's worked out best for me. So we'll have a look at my layout now. So yeah, those previous AR envelope generators that I built, they were singles, so at least we're going to get two out of this board as well with just the two chips. Just note the 074 that's an inverted orientation there, so put that in upside down basically. And now hopefully it's clear how the pots are configured. Starting at the top left, there's the attack pot and release. Hopefully you can work out that I've just joined the two lugs together on the attack and then the release there. You might need to study this a little bit. I'm pretty happy with the response from an external trigger. Now, one thing that I did note was on the Ray Wilson site, it does say that it needed a trigger approaching positive volts. Well, I wasn't too sure what that meant, but basically 5 volts wasn't enough to trigger it. So I had to do a little bit of research to see if I could incorporate a transistor as a switch, so that would switch the 12 volts to trigger it from an external input of a lower voltage. That all worked out well. So additionally to the schematic that I've shown you previously, there are two common 3904 transistors in there, and they work well. I'm really happy with this AR generator, and if I needed another couple, which I think I might do, I will definitely use this layout again. So just bear in mind there to do all your track cuts as I've marked them, and if you build this to this plan, it should work. I didn't have to tweak any cap values, so yeah, go ahead and build it, guys. Good luck with that, have fun, and I hope to see you soon-ish.